Are you struggling to generate leads for your business? In today's competitive market, effective lead generation is crucial for your business growth. Use these 3 tips to boost your lead generation efforts. Number 1, leverage content marketing. Create valuable and informative content that addresses your audience pain point and share it through the blog post, videos and downloadable resource to attract and engage potential leads. Number 2, utilize social media platform. Leverage the power of social media to reach and engage your target audience. Use targeted ad, engaging posts and interactive content to capture the lead and drive them to your conversion funnel. Number 3, host webinar or live event. Organize webinar or live event on the topic that resonate with your audience and collect registrations and follow up with attendees to convert them into the qualified lead.